Go Carpet Cleaning in Norcross, Georgia. Testimonials. Go Carpet Cleaning uses only eco-friendly and natural solutions that are 100% safe for your family, including your pets. This way, you won't have to worry about the harsh chemicals usually associated with cleaning carpets. We're a top-rated carpet cleaning business in Norcross and the neighboring areas, and we're committed to using safe methods to remove stains and germs. We are committed to being the best company possible by providing quality work on time, for every appointment, and also offering customer service that will ensure all of our clients' requirements are fulfilled. Hundreds of happy customers recommend us.
Very good job. Amazing before and after. Nice gentleman, makes you feel comfortable, and explains what he's gonna do. I recommend to anyone who needs carpet cleaning service, and I will definitely be a regular customer from now on.
Gal did an amazing job. I highly recommend him. He was professional and friendly. We will use him again for our future carpet cleaning needs.
Carpet cleaning is just the beginning. Consider our additional services to see how else we can be of help. Cleaning traffic patterns, upholstery cleaning, air duct cleaning, rug cleaning, pet stains and odors cleaning, commercial services. Time to explore some of Norcross' best kept secrets. The urban area of Norcross is located in Gwinnett County, Georgia, United States. Its northern part lies on the boundary of the city of Peachtree Corners. It is a few miles from the popular landmarks, World of Coca-Cola, and Stone Mountain Park. Attractions of the city include Thrasher Park, Lillian Webb Park Norcross, Rossi Brundage Park, Norcross Discovery Garden Park, a prominent parkland called the Heart of Norcross, the Norcross Welcome Center and Museum, the Lionheart Theater, and others. Locals and tourists appreciate the city's amenities such as the SunTrust Bank, public schools, a library, the Norcross branch that is operated by Gwinnett County Public Library, many hotels including Days Inn which has a great housekeeping service, and more. Local businesses have easy access, plus all of them are within walking distance. If you need a consultation or any other services, please contact us and take advantage of our competitive pricing. We serve Norcross and all surrounding areas. Visit our website www.carpetcleaning.atlanta.com/carpet-cleaning-services/Norcross-GA, or call us at 678-818-5698.